Hello, welcome to the Intoxicated Flamingo. I am your host, Jen. So this week I'm just doing a shot. This one's just more burps. So it's really weird. I do all of my own editing, and you do not know how hard it is for me to watch myself and listen to myself with these burps. I mean, it's one thing when I'm just going about doing my thing and they come out, but to sit and listen to them back to back to back to back, oh my God, it's crazy. It's crazy. So there are times you will see me, I will be drinking just from this tumbler, and I've got this other black one behind me. Those only have coffee in them. Even if they had water in them, it would still taste like coffee because that's all I put in those things. And my coffee is just as dark as the outside of the container. I drink it straight up black. Don't mess with my coffee. In this one, I do have a couple of hiccups. They just happen just before the burps came. So there's a couple of little hiccups in there. I did have a sneeze at one point, and you have to understand my sneezes, and it's allergy season, yay, is typically in groups of threes. And this one just came out as one, so it really threw me off. But usually if you're ever around me and you hear me sneeze, let me finish before you start blessing me, or otherwise you're just gonna be out there continuously blessing. There is a part of the video I was playing around with something I had made. I do this anyways. This is just me being me. Even if the camera wasn't rolling at the time, I still would have done what I did, and I thought it was kind of funny. So I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna throw that in there. So anyways, hope you guys enjoy. Raise your hand if you want some cheese. Do it the other way. Yeah, that would. I don't know what that was. Just one. Oh my goodness. So I hope you enjoyed. I will have more crafts next week. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, and I will see you next time. Have a good week.